All right, I've got this 4-piece chisel set. This is for a hammer drill. Okay, we're getting a pointy tip, we're getting a wide chisel, kind of a narrow chisel, and then we're getting like a medium, like beveled or curved chisel right there. Nice. Look, it's nice and smooth, so we're just able to like actually chisel. Kind of brush it off here and give you a quick little look at the tip here. So it's holding up really well. Okay, this is like the narrow chisel. There we go. So do you see how I was able to make this smooth, right? I've got lines there. It's just working its way down through. All right, so it's one thing to talk about these and to like tell you how great they are. It's another thing to actually show you. These have really solid like edges on them, a great tip. Again, they're chisels. So this is not a jackhammer. It's light duty, you know, we're just kind of crafting, we're chiseling, we're creating round edges, smooth edges, etc. They chisel fantastic, so definitely pick this little 4-pack up. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.